Good morning, traders. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Oh, thanks. Well, Jimmy, you're the one the instructor so you're the only person that says that because I told you the instructor, right? He gave you 1 + 1 = 2, and then he only make one mistake in purpose, and everybody correct that mistakes, but they did not. That's good. That's good. Like how many cameras he has though? I only have one. That's incredible. Both. We're gonna see what we got. Good morning, Aday.
In the first 5 to 10 minutes. Miss uh, what we do is read a verse from the Bible, and then we close out by taking prayer requests and praying over anybody who needs prayer. So if you want to go there, you should see a breakout room and just click in there, and we'll be over there. Thank you, Miss Mary.
Thank you, Aday.
I'm watching the all the chip stuff right now. Like AMDL might be a good uh, small account challenge for us today.
Okay.
Hymns again. Yeah, because Hymns paid off us great last week.
What?
I closed on my MUU this morning. Pre-market it ran up.
Nice. You said AMDL, Tom?
Yeah.
Well, it's a little bit better if we got in at $50, more like
Yeah.
50-50.
Yep.
And then we got $2, 52.57 to 53.70. That's your first target.
Yep. Your
Second
screen's
is
not showing.
55. So, oh, okay. Fine.
Hmm. Denise Pena, first of all, I pray for you for your surgery. Second of all, forget about yesterday's losses.
Yep.
That's a common mistake. I'm trying to make back losses from yesterday. Forget about yesterday. The only thing you want to remember about yesterday is what you could have done better versus I've got to make this money back. Don't think like that. That'll put you in a bad position already. I know I've been there. I got to make this back. I got to make this back. Think about what you did, what you could have done better, and just do better today. Don't worry about what happened yesterday, other than it was a learning lesson.
Good. So you guys have to listen to my Wednesday because that is my class, Ashley. That's your debt. That's your trading debt that you have to keep in mind that I have to get it back because I owe money, like I lost money. So that's tomorrow is that's your psychology of that's what I'm preparing for you guys. That's what I had prepared.
Well,
What?
I think Miss Mary, you're not going to do meta today?
Let's see.
Michael, that's a great question. I actually was reading some stuff on that the other night about the two biggest things vying for everybody's money right now is, of course, the Fed debt, right? $40 trillion now, and all the big players scrambling to get money. AI stuff, and it's causing a ripple effect throughout the markets, right? There's less money to go into other things. Trump, if you follow what Trump does, he's another one of those politician trackers, right? Whatever they're doing. Yeah, Jackson. Yeah, government buying back bonds. I mean, they bought back some last week, and I posted about how that affects tech stocks, but it didn't really reflect the rates, the treasury rates. They're still 4.75 or something. They need to be under that. It's funny things you learn once you start trading.
Any news today, Tom?
Um,
No.
no, tomorrow is the big one, right? Isn't Fed, what you call it? Jackson Hole tomorrow. And that's this week. I can't remember what day it is.
I think it's Friday.
Is it Friday?
Yeah, I believe so. I believe. Well, he speaks on Friday. They might start the meeting, but he doesn't address the public until
Yeah.
Friday.
Thank you, Ade.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Miss Mary.
Good morning.
I'm Mr. Tom. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. We got consumer spending tomorrow, PCE tomorrow. Yeah, there's nothing really on the calendar today.
We just
Stay
had
home.
Dick's earnings, which didn't go so well. So from the consumer side, they they didn't do well. So
Uh-oh.
might be some.
Okay. For Meta, we need to be above 565. Okay, we're entering 565, and stop loss is, if it goes south, sorry, but 562, anything drop below 562 is bearish, okay, for us. So 565, that's when you enter, and guess what? We have a quite you have about $4, $3. We have 568.97 or 569. Okay, 565 for Meta to move up, then we have to push it higher at least $4. Let's see if we could be able to see that drop below 562. That's our put, and most likely we could get to 560. Well, let's start with 561, then 560. So we don't want to drop below 562 for Meta. So let's see first. We don't want to outrun the bull.
No.
For AMDL, so this is our trade setup. Tom wants to go with AMDL. So $50 is our entry. We have to have a stop loss. Either 49.40 or 48.50 is your stop loss. Your first target is $52 to 53. Second target is 55 to 56. Third is 58 to 61, because this is not a true breakout, by the way. It's not. AMDL move 46, $2 to $3. So if we see a move above today about 48, you're looking around $50. So we may not be able to see an entry. We don't know. Let's see. Okay, because if we enter right above 48.32, it's okay too. We could enter right at this price, but I want to see price action first, because it could test back your $46, because this is not a rejection candle. I'm still looking at $42 to 41 for AMDL. Same thing with AMD. For Amazon, this is the current price. This is 263. I don't want to be entering a call on the 263 or 260. Let's see, what is this? It has to be above at least. Let's see this first. There you go. 264.50. And then you have 266. So you're looking around 264. 265 is our entry for Amazon. Okay, 265. More confirm is 267, but that is our take profit level. 265, and then we have 266, 267. On the 4 hours is 260. I mean, the 4 hours, our target is 267. Yeah, 267. So we'll take a look at Amazon in a few. AMDL, Meta. I do like Tesla as well. We'll take a look at Tesla later. Tesla has been giving me money, and it was actually, the reason why is because we have a direction for Tesla. And if there's a direction, we could make money on that. But if it's very volatile, no bueno. So we could take a look at Tesla as well. Let's delete this. For Tesla, it has to be below 248. So looking around 247. That's our put. And then we have $2, 244.90 to 245. We cannot overstay our welcome here yet. I don't know where is it coming. So there's a halt on this level here. Next one is your 341. So we have 244. what is this again? 244.90. Yep, 244.90 to 245. If we reject that, then we're coming back up to 351. But if we drop below that 344, then we have 341 for Tesla. To the upside, I would like to remain above 352. Whew, we got $4 there. Let's see. Let's take a look at the 4 hours. Yep, has to be 352. Yep, 352, okay. And Tom Scal from New York, congratulations, by the way, on your elf. I saw your text. I mean, I saw your message. I saw it when I was driving. I couldn't respond right away. Ooh, what happened?
Hey, you see BE jumped up?
Yes, I
That was
did.
one.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
That was one of the stocks. Remember, Miss Mary?
Yeah,
BE
yeah.
Flex. It shot up.
Yesterday, everything dips. Yesterday, I checked that, and now it's up.
No, BE. Remember, it was BE Flex.
Yeah, Flex wasn't
SI
up
team. Yeah,
yesterday.
Flex wasn't up, but
Uh-huh.
BE was the only one, and it ripped. I played it early. Sorry for distracting. I
Nice.
just happened to look over it.
Oh, this thing is gonna get to 222. 220 to 22. If this is the bottom. But the BE, if you guys gonna go with options on BE, there's a big gap. It's a wide spread of their options. Okay.
Yeah, they're not great for options.
Yeah.
I'm in BE. I've been in for a while.
Options,
No,
shares.
no, shares. Yeah.
There's the catalyst for them. That's why. Yeah, you have 220, 222, and then it'll be more bullish if we break above 222. Then if you're scalping this, then you have 227, 227 to 229, but more move to the upside if we see above a break above 255. 253 is okay. So 254 actually you could enter that. And then easy about $20, 220, 276. So 255, 254 is your entry for this. We could actually buy this. We could even buy 2 shares for your small
Yeah.
account challenge if we break out. But let me
Yeah.
delete this. So for this one, it's not fully confirmed yet, okay? It's not fully confirmed yet. A confirmation is right here. But if we're going to be aggressive, if we're going to be a hedge funds, not a mutual funds, and then we're going to be, we're going to have a stop loss at 220. We could buy at 212, like at the current price, 214, but we got to have a stop loss at least 212 even. But your upside potential is higher. So you got 220, 222 as your first target, and you get 227, 229, which is higher probability we're going to get there. This is an okay volume. It's not like an above average. It's not. So it's okay volume. The good thing about this is just respecting your 200. One green candle doesn't mean it's a reversal. All right. It's just saying, hey, momentum is slowing down. We may backtest at 222 though, and then reverses and go back and test your 200. Don't know yet. It's not a reversal. More confirmed is we get to that 254 for us, more confirmed. Then that's easy target on this level at 270-ish. Easy. So if you want to be aggressive, you could start with 244. Well, we could be aggressive. 242. We could start with 242. You have a take profit at 253 because your second entry is on 254, not unless it gives us a continuation candle and it gives us a breakout of a higher volume nodes confirming a breakout. Then that'll be good. Then we could continue that and get to the 277. As of right now, it's looking pretty good. So put a pin on it. It's multiple entry. We have 243.
Gosh, Palantir just had a massive candle. We're about to open. I'm gonna mute everybody, Mary.
Okay. Market opens.
You can unmute Mary.
We're gonna wait for Amazon 265. We're gonna wait for Tesla 253. What's going on with AMDL, Tom?
It just dropped.
Okay, so no entry on
Yeah.
that.
Nope.
Let's just wait for 5 minutes, okay? Let's wait for 5 minutes. If you want to start with your meta, this is aggressive, okay? We're going to 568.97 for meta. We'll call. It's going up already. Don't worry about your cues. Cues is indecisive. Nothing with Amazon. Tesla did not give us a call. We may go for a put here. Let's see. You ready for your cues? Nothing with Tesla. Let's see if the Q is going to break through that 50 moving average on the 712. Make sure you have a stop loss on your meta, okay? 562, we don't want to drop below 562. Or this one in particular example is 563 now. We don't want to drop below 563. Drop below 563, we may be going for a put because we're going to get 559. Just wait for Tesla, nothing yet. Amazon, not yet. If it break down this current price, then we could come down.
Q's look like they're getting ready.
Yeah, Q's
Still
gonna
early
get
though.
ready. Yep. We could wait for 1 minute or we're gonna get a momentum is gonna go up. Okay, so just wait. You want to start a small position, one position, you're more than welcome to do so. This is your target. There's going to have a little bit of a resistance on this current 713.07, but we have a momentum in that candle for your call Q. You could wait for the 5 minutes if you want. You could enter an early small position. Let's see, use Meta is still a candle. Nothing with Tesla yet, okay? So don't worry about Tesla. If you look at your 5 minutes, it's nothing. It looks like we're coming down too. It's normal to start with the green, I mean with the red, push it higher. Tesla's indecisive right now. Shorter time frame wants to drop. But let's see. Don't want to get caught with Tesla. See, it started with a wick. The good thing is our entry for a call is right above here. Nothing with Amazon yet. I'm just waiting for this. We don't have much on the Amazon, by the way. Maybe we could change Amazon. Oh, INTC, so just shoot up too. Meta's doing its thing, so don't worry. It's normal to backtest half of that candle. Right? It's normal to backtest half of that candle. Backtesting your VWAP, it's normal. Your indicator is showing bullish on the 5 minutes, on the 10 minutes. We're getting there. We haven't have a bullish crossover. This is inside the box. You guys are doing okay with your meta. Nothing with Amazon. Amazon's moving. I don't want to get caught with Amazon and then it recover us. It's only going to give us $1. Yeah. Flex is up, Tom. Oh, BE did not move.
No.
Oh, actually, it's moving now. You know, we could get BE. We have 220.
Why not? Why not?
220. 220 as your resistance.
2 shares,
2 shares.
2.3.
We missed it though. See what we could get. 214. 214. 80. Oh, it's coming down more. 214.10. Looking good in your meta. Nothing for Tesla. For your Qs, it looks like it's going to reject this candle, guys. Now, this is the part that we don't like. We have the green candle, and then we have this possible. It could be engulfing candle, or it could be a rejection. Oh, I got triggered. Did you get triggered, Tom? I got triggered 214 on BE. 214.01, I got triggered. It's coming down now.
Yep, I got filled.
We're gonna have to hold that.
Yeah. I'm not, honestly, for me, it's not bad because I'm already in it. So that actually DCAs me anyways.
Yeah, I have 2 shares now. Let's see. This could be our first loss. Let's see. It's okay
Watching
to
it.
backtest your 210, okay? 209, it's okay. It's still your Qs, we dropped below the VWAP on the 5, so that's no bueno. It's inside the box now. You're doing good on your meta. 569 is your target. You got to your 568, 64, but it looks like it wants to go up. This is the hurdle for meta. This current level, that 569. It's okay. Nothing with Tesla. Your Qs is okay. It's still inside the box. If you cannot handle this volatility for the Qs, because he hasn't really given us a trend yet, you could get out when it's going up right here just to minimize your losses. It's trading inside the pre-morning market. All right. Don't worry about Tesla. Tesla again also is trading inside the morning market. BE is I'm up $2. So let's put that aside. Our target for BE is 220 to 222. Let me see what else.
Let's keep an eye on hymns right now too.
Okay, hymns.
Yeah, it just had a gap on a 5-minute chart, gap up.
Hymns, this was our original entry from 3031.
Yeah.
I just don't like what I'm looking at yesterday because when market opens, it opens half of the candle, so that's why I did not enter. This could be a recovery for hymns as well. Yeah, remember the Qs, there's no trend for Qs. Remember I said that if it going up, just cancel it so that you minimize your losses. It's not giving me a confirmation yet. Confirm is right above 713.86. Tesla, we don't have nothing on Tesla. It's vacillating. The only thing that we have currently right now is obviously your BE and your Meta. So nothing is moving, that one that we choose right now. So nothing. Amazon. If HIMS remains
And
above 33, that's good.
Nvidia's pushing up.
Nvidia's pushing, you said?
Yep.
For HIMS, you guys could continue with your with the original trade plan that we have. The 3031 is your entry. Just make sure you have a stop loss on 29. It's still pretty good, by the way. Let me just go back there. I don't trust Nvidia, by the way. Earnings is tomorrow, I think.
Yep.
This was our original entry technicals, and it's still valid. This is going to be a hurdle on that $33, but preferably above 33, it will be at least slightly bullish and you get to get out at that 35, 37. Okay. It's still okay. Just keep in mind you have a stop loss on 29.42 though. But this was our original take profit. I mean, technical before, but it's still okay. It's okay. Is it confirmed it's moving up? It's not. The Qs, nothing. I hope you guys just,
Yeah.
when we said that, just take a loss or whatever, break even or minimal losses you guys have on that Qs. Not giving us a trade. Tesla, nothing too. Meta is struggling. Meta is struggling. But I do like the fact that we have a gapping up, slightly gap up. So that's bullish. It's giving us a bullish crossover, so which is nice. The only thing we lacking is at least a higher volume nodes above average. It will be good because this was actually a breakout of a structures with this two candles here. And your target is really that 578 if we break above that 569, which is your take profit. We break above 569 and it remains above 570, then you have a nice $9 profit, which is more than that for options. Okay, so it's critical for Meta to break through that 570. 569 is your target, but entry is 570. If it remains above that, then that'll be at least bullish to where you could get to that 578, 579.
Palantir is ripping.
For him, so those people who want to enter that HIMS, it's okay too with the Z. All right, so If you're going to enter here, make sure you have a stop loss. If you have 33, just keep in mind we could back test at 31 to 29, so have a stop loss. If you're entering at 33, you could have either a stop loss at, it's gonna be 31 even for you guys if you have a stop loss on that 33. So this was a better entry. Your meta is holding on. Your elf is still pretty good, by the way. It's just a shallow pullback. It's okay. That's not the real target. The target for elf is 108. Oh, BE, we're coming down. BE, we're losing. That's normal to test at 211 to 209. It's normal. We may need to hold on to BE. We're going to have to really hold on to that because the goal is to get to 220. Your meta is okay. Your Qs is still okay, all right? It's still no trade, basically. There's still no trade. Tesla, no trade. I'm trying to get you guys a trade.
Nvidia's slowing down.
Yeah, I don't trust Nvidia. Oh, Moderna's up. Moderna 155. We break above 150. We got 155 to 159. Bullish still. Bearish, not a bearish divergence. Still bullish. It's pretty flat. It's pretty flat. Meta is seems like it's taking your profit, guys. It's getting weaker. Take a look at the shorter time frame. Oh, it's normal to test your 50. That's normal. Testing your pre-morning resistance. It's okay. This is your morning structure. This is your resistance. This is your support. This is your pre-morning resistance. It's normal to backtest that. Okay, let's see what's going on with the Qs. Qs is slowly. And let's see if Tesla is going to give us a trade. Oh, wow. AMD rip. It went up.
AMD?
Yeah, look, 14,
Yeah,
$8, $9, $20.
missed it. Shoot. We was so focused on everything else.
What happened to the AMDL? Did not do good?
AMDL is nuts. I mean, no, it hasn't. It touched 50 and stopped. So that's why I didn't get a signal alert.
All right, let's see if we're gonna break through Meta. You have 569 as your exit strategy on Meta.
So AMDL is now at 50. So that was our target. Let's see if it closes above it.
Oh no. Oh no. This is just starting, Tom.
What?
AMDL.
Oh, no, I'm saying 50 was our target to get in.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's see. 50, 30, 50, 40. Okay. Where's my I had a entry for this. Be prepared for Qs. It's breaking. Let's see. Your Meta looks like it wants to break. Let's see, one red candle. Be prepared for Qs. Nice. Nice. All right. Let's see if we're gonna break. Watch your AMDL because I think
I'm
I don't know.
watching. I got it on my screen right now.
Okay.
It's going to close above 50. There you go. Yep. I'm gonna start AMDL.
Yeah, AMDL is okay. Indecision candle. Look at that. Qs. Look at that. We're preparing to get a call, but look at that. That meta is struggling. How much is AMD?
AMD. You know options?
Yeah, it's pretty expensive.
Yeah, they are.
$1,300 for 475. Your meta is pulling back. Oh, there you go. Nothing, guys, okay? Your meta is pulling back again. You guys were in profit on meta, but now it's either losses or break even. And it's going to back test again that 565. Nothing for the Qs, guys. I cannot force a trade, all right? I cannot force a trade.
Yeah, it looked like it was ready to go. It hit a pre-market high and tanked.
Tesla is not doing anything too. Meta is just cooking. It really wants to get to that 570 to 573, right? It's really cooking. So it's you just have to be patient or you're gonna have to take it out. It is bullish. This is going to be a struggle for AMD, that 200 moving average. It's going to be a struggle. We got to respect your elders, right? And this is a pretty strong resistance. Midpoint of this bearish candle, 200 moving average. So more confirmed to the upside is really above 481. 481 to get to 480. Ooh, nice. 481. If you're going to be patient, if we see AMD break above 481, that's your cue to go. And then you have $6, $7, 488 to 489 as your exit. But right now it's not doing anything. I would like to see a next candle break through that 200 moving average. Let me see if I could see some type of, yep, we're pinned down here too. On the Qs is nothing. Trust me, we don't want to outrun the bull. Tesla is pretty a-okay, but it just doesn't give me a trade to break through it. It's okay. It still wants to go up. Well, you have 355 and you have 358, 57, but it wants to go up. This is actually not so bad of a candle. And we've been here since what, almost 30 minutes already. And if Tesla wants to come down, it would have dropped already and test our 9 EMA, but it did not. So it's really forcing itself to move up. Don't have a trade, guys. I cannot force it, okay? That 33 for here hymns is okay too.
AMD's falling back.
Yeah.
Palantir's cooling off.
I'm slightly down on my app. I have 10 shares of app up 3. What is my share? 317. Let's see where's AMD is gonna go. Look at that Q's, guys. It's really no trade here for us here. No trade here. I'm waiting for Tesla to break through that 353. I have a Netflix call yesterday. $81, $83, $85, but your target is $88 for Netflix. Still bullish. What do we have here, Tom, again? AMD.
AMD. Not doing anything.
Did not
Hams
give
is breaking though.
what?
Hams is breaking.
To the upside.
Yeah.
Let's see if Q's is gonna break down. Tesla's nothing to your meta is halted. If meta turns red, that's no good. Meta will be bullish if we move past 570. Hims, good for you guys for your hims. That 33. This is hard to trade when you guys have this type of candles. This is bearish indecision candle, and then you ended up having a red candle. We're just vacillating from here to here. If it drops below that, we have here. Ooh, nothing. Except for your hymns, guys. Whoever got that hymns is good for you guys.
I actually took it.
Nice.
Yeah, I got stopped out, and of course, then it kept going up, right? I mean, my stupid trailing stop losses. I just had another gap up again too on the 5 minute. Oh no, that was probably bad. It's hot.
You got 35
72.
on trade on that, Tom. You got
Yeah.
exit at 35.
Yep.
It's gonna get there.
Qs look like they want to flush here.
Q's nothing.
Yeah. Still trading in range.
Yeah. AMD want to break out and test your 476. It's thinking.
Is it AMD? Yeah, AMD just looks like it's consolidating right now.
Yeah.
Oh, how's our BE doing? BE is still the same. Just sitting there. Bunch of indecision candles.
AMD wants to break through though. Yep. Let's see. Your meta, you guys should already stop out for your meta. Yeah, Meta is now is gonna fill this, so we may need to get a put on that to get to 561. So you guys got top out on that Meta now. I wasn't paying attention to your Qs. Your Qs is dropping.
Yep.
Your Qs is
Just
dropping. Yep, that's
it
your
just broke
put.
out of morning.
Yep, wait for that candle to finish now if you want. We have 709 for that. That will be a Meta put for you guys now. That is a loss on your Meta if you did not cut it.
Tesla's pumping again.
Tesla 353 is our entry.
Here it is, 353.
353. Make sure you have a stop loss for that call. We have 355 for that. It's struggling though, just like your
Yeah.
AMD is struggling. Everything is struggling right now. $355 is your exit for Tesla. It's struggling with Tesla, same thing with AMD. Your Q is gonna come down 709. That's a put. Just have to be patient though. Your Meta is fighting, but it wants to come down now. Sellers is in control in Meta's candle right now on the daily. Sellers in control. Not only is buyers gonna come and push it price higher. Tesla's fighting.
It's choppy day, man.
Yeah,
Oof.
it's really ugly.
Nvidia's pulled back.
There's no trade.
No.
It's not a fun day today.
Palantir's pulled all the way back.
Small candle on the 5. Look at that. On your Qs. But it's bearish though. The Qs is bearish. If you want to get the AMD, you have at least $3 for a call, but again, it's pretty choppy, all right? But it wants to back test. This is just a little bit of a struggle. It wants to get back again at least $3. It's just really a struggle. And if we look at the 30 minutes, is because we're pinned down between that. So you could either wait to break above 476 and then you have $2. Then we're just pinned down between the two. Your cues is a put is just one green candle doesn't mean it's a reversal. Right? It's a small candle. It's pretty weak, by the way. Today is pretty weak. Chestnut's pushing. Look at that, Meta's fighting. Come on, AMD, just break through it. This is the struggle for AMD too. You see the RSI is pretty flat. We need to establish a higher high. So the goal is to break through that. And once we break through that, then we could get to at least to that 478 again. And this is ugly, you see this? Indecision candle, indecision candle. And then we're going to end up having another indecision candle on the 15 minutes. But the good thing about this is continue to reject the 9 EMA, continue to respect that. HIMS is still a buy, he's still a buy for HIMS, okay? For shares, please, shares.
I'm a HIMZ, not HIMS. HIMS, you could do options if you wanted. They got good options.
Another indecision candle on AMD. Tesla's fighting. Q wants to come down, by the way. This is what it looks like. This is your support. We had a breaking candle, testing that level again. This is your breakout level, right? And it's retesting, and it wants to come down. Your 50 is here, your 200 is here. This is your pre-morning resistance support, so it wants to come down. What an ugly day today. Ugly,
Yep.
ugly.
No trade day.
Another indecision candle for Meta. I mean for AMD. Tesla's fighting. Meta's fighting.
Everybody's fighting. MU's fighting. NVIDIA's fighting now. NVIDIA's kind of just got exhausted and full. Palantir's trying to bounce. Q's just look like they want to go with them.
Q's still want to come down. Just slowly, just have to be patient with that bad boy. AMD is just back testing the previous resistance.
Apple, Google, nothing. Let's go look at some other stuff. I'm tired of looking at all these things that are doing nothing.
I'm trying to.
Yeah. Let's go look for something else. This fishing hole seems a little tapped out today.
Yeah, we may just stop out. There's really nothing for us. Tesla will not give us a trade. That meta is actually stuck. We're stuck in the meta. AMD wants to break through, but it's just shy.
I mean, you want to do something we've never done before?
What?
Visa. Visa, baby. Visa's about to hit my breakout level that I posted last night. 38.50, 34, 384.
Oh, I'm done with BE. 214 is our entry. Two. Uh-oh. Come on, AMD.
Visa actually has nice options too.
Is it good?
They got, looks like every Friday, yeah. So they got weekly options now on Visa. I haven't traded Visa in a long time. I used to do cover call, credit spreads on it. I
That's a
may take
nice
a credit
breakout
spread.
of a structure.
I may take a credit spread on it today.
Hmm.
I mean, you're right at the money is, one in the money is 530. Right at the money, 382 is 375.
Oh, it's already target. That's already your target.
What,
That's already a take profit level.
on Visa?
Yeah. If we break through that 384, that's your second entry. Then you
Yeah,
get
that's
390.
actually that's actually what I called last night. I said if it breaks above 383.50, so let's just call it 384. That was my point of entry.
Yep. Target is 390 for that. So that's pretty good. Let's see. A little bit of exhausted. Still have room to the upside if it breaks through
Yeah,
though. Pulling back, pulling back.
yeah. I've been trying to find outside of our 10 stocks that everybody trades on Discord. Honestly, I'm not confident in tech moving forward. To be honest with you,
Yeah. What's your target there? Your stop loss is a little below your
yeah.
at least 382 is your stop loss.
A good thing. So Visa,
384 is your entry.
earnings start till November.
Tesla is just really fighting us, guys. AMD is still pinned down between these two. Q's is very tiny little candle. Nothing trade. Meta is giving you mixed bias.
Intel's sitting there.
Hmm.
Everybody's just sitting.
What about Amazon? What's Amazon doing?
Amazon's trading in range right now, right above pre. That's not pre-market. Amazon is on the 5 minute is just being,
Bearish.
it's right under all, yeah, it's all under all the EMAs, struggling to push back up through.
Oh, this thing is gonna come down. We might have a trade in Amazon put.
Mary, you get stopped out of BE? Is that what you said?
Actually, I did not have a stop loss in our BE because we
Oh.
only have two.
Yeah,
So
I didn't put a stop loss on it.
we only
Like
have
I said,
two.
and for BE, I was already in it, so that actually DCA'd down my cost. So
Yeah, but that's
I'm
part of
not,
our
I'm
small
not, I'm
account
not cutting
challenge.
it. Yeah, I'm not cutting it.
Yeah, we have a stop loss, but we only have two on that one. So far we're winning on your small account challenge. We haven't have a loss, so let's see. 214, our entry. We're losing, hold on, let me check.
Down about $4.
$6. Uh-oh, AMD is coming down now. That's it. Once you get to 370. Yep, we gotta put on that AMD now. This is now a pivotal point. If it drop below that 1270, then we can get a put. This one drops now. Let's see. It broke down now your 200 moving average. Oh, you take profit on your cues. Right there. Slowly but surely. There's no trade. Nothing, guys.
It's hard. Yeah.
We're losing on our BE, $7. Tesla wants to go now, break through, but again, struggling to. But it looked like Tesla wants to go up. This could be a possible reversal for the Qs now. More confirmed to the downside. We have a gap. Drop below 709. We have a gap to the downside. 706. 709. Drop below 709. You have a gap to the downside. 706. Okay. Pay attention, but it's struggling for. This is a bunch of small candle for the Q, so it's moving slowly. So that's the only thing you guys got. For Amazon, it wants to come down. We drop below 200 for Amazon. So you drop below 200 on the 30 as well. Let's see if you're going to reject this 50. You have like 32 minutes for Amazon. Otherwise, that's continuation to the downside to 258. Tesla struggling. Let's take a look at your Meta. Meta, you guys should have stopped out on the Meta already. That's like fluctuating. It wants to come down. Meta wants to come down to 561. Just to touch, okay, just to touch that little wick. But if we continue to that 561, you have 559. Your AMD now it's just deciding either to go up.
Yeah.
It looks like that wick
Yep.
again. "31 minutes to finish that candle. It's pinned down. Look at that. 1 minute to finish that candle. We're gonna see where we're gonna go. It's just a bunch of wicks. This is hard to trade. But still rejecting your 9 EMA.
Well, so good news, man.
Nothing.
I just broke 200 subscribers on my channel. Woohoo!
Woohoo.
201. Thanks, guys.
That's good, Tom.
Actually, I'm gonna do I'm gonna start doing some more shorts. I have a doing the long ones. Um, it's tough every day right now, so I'm gonna probably do like 2 or 3 of those a week, and then do shorts on the other day. So I try to do shorts every day actually, because you can just do those and just let them run, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Ice cream for everyone. Yeah, well, ice cream for everyone, guys. Yep. You gotta come to Little Rock. I just dropped my channel in the chat if anybody wants to check it out and join or like or follow me on it. YouTube is changing their requirements now to get monetized. Do you see that, Mary?
Oh, I was struggling. It was like 3,000 hours you have.
You have to have starting in January, you have to have 8,000 hours.
8,000 now?
So you need to get moving. You need to break that 4,000 because if you break the 4,000, you'll be grandfathered. I won't make it.
What do you mean? Why you were so negative already?
You know, I ran the numbers. The numbers to get 8,000 hours in the next 4 months is in 5 months is like I've got to have like 200 hours a week view time.
Well, Tom,
It's
it's
crazy.
per, I believe it's per subscribers.
So it's 1,000 subscribers, and you have to have 4,000 view hours in a 12-month period, rolling 12-month period or something like that.
Yeah, well, you could do it.
The new one, the new channel I'm creating with my wife called Behind the Open Door.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's going to be our big channel.
That's nice.
Yep. We're gonna focus on the stories behind small businesses.
Oh, nice.
Yep, we're gonna start here locally and then continue to branch out and yep, we're gonna go find small businesses and interview them and tell the story behind the business while we're eating their food or checking out their merchandise and
Mm,
yep, it's gonna be
nice.
kind of cool.
Look at this. We did not see this. It looks like it's recovering now.
Yep.
No, we don't want to trade this AMD now. It could just give us another whipsaw. More confirm is 378 for AMD, okay?
Thanks, King Paul. Appreciate it, man. My wife is always telling me that too. Replace the word problem with the word opportunity is what I always been told.
That's true.
Except when you have a drinking problem, then I have a drinking opportunity.
No. What's wrong with you?
Guys, I don't drink. I'm recovering alcohol. Actually, one of the people I'm going to interview is a brew house down the street. And we do every other Tuesday night. The owner and I host a beer, Bible, and buds event. We sit for 2 hours and we talk about the Bible, eat good food, and
That's nice.
sample his latest beer. It's a lot of fun.
Let's see if AMD gonna break through that. Seems like we have volume
It's
on the
struggling
cues.
though. It's everything's just struggling. Cues are bouncing around. The cues had a big rejection rate in this last candle.
Looks like it's gonna break through that 478. Let's see. It's halting.
Antonio, 29%, nice. Let us pump in now. Yeah, it's trying to. It's still on the VWAP though. Good.
Come on, AMD, just break through it. It's a struggle for AMD. You see the body of the candle is just here. The goal is to get to this top and see if we could be able to. I'm trying to close my Netflix too. I don't have much.
Man, everything is just.
We're losing on BE $6. Wait.
Yeah, but again, the joy of owning shares, right? You don't have to cut it because there's an expiration date on it.
That AMD is gonna break through here. I don't know if you guys want to ride that. $2 real quick. We're gonna see if we're gonna continue to go up for AMD. This is a nice looking candle on the daily. It's a-okay. It's not like wow. But if we hold above that 476, it'll be bullish at least. And there's a higher chance. Really, we're gonna get to that 478 easy to 481. So let's say remain above 476. It's bullish for AMD. Tesla is really struggling. It wants to go up though, but it's not giving me a hint to say, hey, yeah, I want to come down, but it's pretty strong. It's just stuck in here.
Mary, do you still have Adobe?
I sold my Adobe.
You did, okay.
Yeah. Is he
Yeah.
up now?
It went up yesterday, it pulled back today. But earnings are next week, right? 2 weeks, sorry, 2 weeks.
Yeah. The AMD is going to break through that 478, guys. It's going to break through it. How much is it? If it's tomorrow or Friday, 1200. 475 is 1200.
Too rich for my blood.
What? Oh,
Too
there it
rich for
is.
me.
There it is. There it is.
And Meta just broke through B1.
No, sorry, I can't answer a call right now. Cancel that person.
Tesla's trying to push up.
I got a one call on AMD. I'm up 2% only. I only have one, 1200. Trying to get to that level to the top. Tesla wants to go up. It's just slowly. Come on, AMD. We have a volume, by the way. We had a bullish crossover. It's just a struggle. I just want to get a little bit of a dollar there. So fast to lose 40 bucks already. What I like about this is the rejections on this level. This is your resistance, resistance or support. We have an okay volume. Has to be above 476. This candle has to be above 476. This is your daily. We don't want to be below that 9 EMA. That's why we have to be above 476. That's ugly. That's no good. And we're having momentum because your 5 minutes is finishing up. So now it started with the red again. It's okay if it remains like this, but it's going to back test here again. It's no bueno. Such a weak candle. But this is okay candle, by the way. It's right above here. Still struggling to break through above this 478. Oh, let me see how much I'm losing now. It moves so fast. What, 63 bucks already?
AMD, yeah.
Nothing for the Qs. You guys have a little win on that Qs. We're gonna get out of here, guys. It's really nothing.
Nope.
I don't want to be forcing trade right now. Even this AMD, I'm just trying to get a little bit of bucks and a little bit of 40, at least 100 bucks, but it seems like it's not giving it to me. It's not rejecting though. It's just hard to trade because of this wick, just giving us a bunch of wick today. Just a bunch of wick. Is it breaking down? It's really not breaking down. It's rejecting this resistance. And it's right above your 200 EMA. This is your SMA. Let's see how much I'm losing now. Oh my goodness, 148, so fast to lose money.
Ooh.
I know. Ay, ay, ay. Let's see.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to cut it out. For scalping, you lose so fast. Here comes your Qs. Let's see if it comes down again. Back to that 707. See if it candle closes above. Jeez, so fast to lose money. How to lose money fast? Get AMD put. I mean call. Whew, 150. Ugly candle. Your Tesla is really halted. Your Meta is the same thing. This is no bueno. Need to cut it out already. How much am I losing now? $150 still. No, I'm not gonna hold this tomorrow. No, I'm gonna cut it today, either loss or win. Another indecision candle. RSI is pretty flat too.
Yeah.
Pretty weak. Look at that. Oh no. Nothing, guys.
No, it's a rough morning.
Ugly, ugly, ugly. What a bad day. That's 12% of a loss. I'm gonna wait for this candle to finish and see how it goes from there. 15 minutes. It's 11 o'clock. That's good. And it's raining hard here.
That's early.
Yeah, it's been raining hard here.
Usually it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon for you for rain.
Yeah, it's raining hard here now.
Miss those summertime, the 20 years in Florida, every day at 3 o'clock during the summer.
Yeah.
The rain would come through.
Okay. Let's see this bad boy. But it's gonna give us another wick. Wick, wick, wick. Still losing $100. It's not a good candle. It's not a strong candle. If it remains above 473 and we continue to be above the tweezer top, then that's good. I mean tweezer top. This is tweezer bottom. Tweezer. Spinning top, excuse me, spinning top, sorry. This is tweezer bottom, spinning top. If the body of the candle of this candle remains above the spinning top, then that's good. It's gonna break through and go above it. So it's fighting, okay? It's fighting. I don't know why my RSI is right above there. There you go. And we just had a bullish crossover, so that's good. It's cooking. Let's see. Just had a bullish crossover on this AMD. As long as the body of the candle is above the spinning top, it's okay. What happened to Nvidia?
Oh, I pull back.
Pull back. Yeah, I don't trust
Yeah, back
Nvidia.
back to morning open.
Mm.
Yep.
Come on, AMD. We want a body of the candle break above here. Do you see how the body of the candle is all lined up here? Don't care about the wick. If we just have a body of the candle closest like this, at least it's slightly bullish. Okay? That's just another wick. Just push it. Let me see that. Oh, you see that ugly 200 moving average? We're just pinned down with that bad boy. But your RSI is all bullish though. It's just not pretty strong. Alright guys, there's really no trade. There's really no trade for us. Yeah, that hints was your buy signal at the 33 even before. Your Qs is just consolidating. You will not break below your 200 moving average. We're gonna see where this bad boy is going on the AMD. We're just struggling. We're pinned down between the 9 and the 5th and the 200. This is the resistance of your RSI, and we need to break through that. We need to break through that. Yes, your RSI still have resistance. It has, guys. And we need to break through that. We also need to break through above your 200 moving average. This is a nice looking candle on the 1 hour. We have 8 minutes to finish that. As long as we're above here, we're fine. Your RSI is bullish. Just really need to break through that. There you go. There you Oh, I'm in profit now. $40.
Right, Andy?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm gonna get out here because let's
Yep.
see. It's really sucks because I don't like that it's taking too long. So come on, push it all the way there.
Yep.
Come on, push it. I don't want to get
Especially since
another
you were
one.
down 140.
Yep. Just push it.
It's strong. What is it?
Just take
It's
profit, guys.
what is that?
Come on.
478.27 seems like a freaking ceiling for it today. It's bounced off it 5 times now. So yeah, if you're in green, you might as well just grab it and
Yeah,
go.
just run away from it.
My AMDL shares I bought are finally in profit, up a couple of pennies.
Come on, it's gonna break it. Just push a little. Push it. Look, we break our resistance on the RSI, so there's no reason for it to really give us at least $1 more. Look, our RSI is broken. You see it?
Yeah, yeah.
So
RSI is
come
not bad either, even on the longer term.
Yeah. So come on, just push it,
It's
man.
it's
Don't be
it's
shy.
it's gotta break. It's man, if it breaks 478.90, its next stop is 489 on the 1 hour.
It's actually just for 480. It's just right here. Then you have 481.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get out. Uh-oh, will not take it. I'm being greedy. I want 13, 15, 13,
Oh
20.
gosh.
I know I'm gonna go back now.
Oh, Mary's tripping over those pennies. Tripping over those dollars.
That was a struggle just to make $100, you know?
Uh,
Jeez. Come on. Come on, even just break through it. I put my sell signal tool on my Netflix at $4 because I bought it 295. I only have two. That's a tweezer top. That's a nice looking candle. But again, we have to break through it. That's a nice looking candle. Come on, just break through it. Those people is gonna make more money. Don't want to get a tweezer top. You want to push through it. You have a volume, by the way. A nice volume there. Take profit, guys, on that AMD. That's the only thing we got right now. I'm trying to change if I could sell my Netflix. Well, guys, there's really nothing now, but I hope you guys make money on that little AMD. This is the hardest. Oh, look, your BE is only $1.
Yeah, B pull back.
Nothing with the Qs, you guys. It's really nothing. Nothing with this. AMD wants this. I think AMD is the one that's going to give us more run if it breaks through it. Just pushing it more. Then you get to re-enter if it breaks through above that 480, 481. See the resistance? It's right there. That's why you got 481. Then you got at least 483, 484 to that 487 that Tom was saying.
Yeah, we missed those SMCI.
I think that's it for AMD. I'm see if we could be able to re-enter, but until we see a candle break through above that resistance, but right now, looks like it's not going to give it to us. Let's see if it breaks through it. There you go. I need to get out on that 13. I got $100. Hassle of $100. Unbelievable. It will not accept it. It will just like decline, decline. No, I mean, it will not. It says unfill, unfill, open, open, open. So I finally got out. $100. What a hassle just to get $100. Well, I was losing 150. All right, folks, that's your thing there. I'm trying to change my too. Folks, there's really nothing. There's really nothing. We make a little bit of money. There's nothing. It's hard, but a little bit of money. I need to go to. Hey, Ricardo.
Yeah.
This says Apple AMD. I got in with you with AMD. Sean, you better get out, Sean. Oh, look at that, Sean. You guys make more money than me. There's your AMD.
That's,
Now we're gonna
that's
have to break.
typical, right? That's
Yeah,
typical, right?
yeah. When you get out.
Yep. No,
Yeah.
especially when you were down and you're like, oh, I'm just glad to be back in the green.
Oh no,
Now it's
I'm
now it's
waiting.
moving. Come on, baby. Go, go, baby, go.
You guys gotta get out. Yep. Now you
I
guys
feel
gotta
like
get.
I feel like the jockey coming around the last turn starts
So
smacking at a horse.
that's right. Sorry, guys. I did a favor for you guys. I sold mine. There you go.
Oh, I do that
For
every day for everybody.
480. There you go. That's your target now, guys.
Up a couple hundred, Corey. Yeah, dude. Up is the keyword, right, brother?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. I'm done with that. All right, folks, what a struggle. Microsoft is nothing. It's not breaking out yet, guys. So don't rush that. If you enter on that 490, you only have 492. Okay, 490 is a breakout. 492.66 to 494, but you don't have much. But once you break above 495, then you have $5. So right now it's nothing. It's really no trade on that. That's a small candle. Nothing with your Microsoft. It's not moving. It's a more confirmed to the upside if you break above that 493, right? But right now, if you want to scalp this, it has to be above 490. So 491, 490. So that's it. Nothing for Microsoft. Tesla is just really stuck. This is more confirmed here to get us to here, to here, to here. All right. For your Qs, we're vacillating on this little resistance and support, which is $1 difference. But the key is if we break below 709, at least 708, you're going back to that 707 again. And there's more gap to that 706. The 707 is minimal. I'm done with AMD. I don't really want to be chasing that. It's going to be hard for AMD to break through. But there's a but there. There's a but. The but is 480. If we break out above 480, you have $4, 484 to 487, like Tom said, all the way to 489. Okay, but you have to see a candle break above the 4 hours. So you have like 1 hour to finish this candle, and it has to be above 480. Then you have $4, and then you got 487, 489 for AMD. Okay, try to be in the money. Here comes your put, but guys, this is a struggle. We don't have volume. This is no bueno, no volume. Your Tesla is really struggling. It wants to go up, so that I would have cut off on my Tesla already. Meta did not give us a nice trade. It did give you guys a couple of dollars, like I think $1 or $2 on Meta, but the goal was to get to that 469. 569. We got into I think 568.60. For Microsoft, please wait for Microsoft. Tesla wants to go up, but if this turns red and we drop below 348, it's no bueno. All right, we drop below 348, you have 346 to 340. Yeah, 346, 345 right here. But if we close below 345, then that will be bearish because we have 340 to 338. But we drop below 340, it'll be bearish for us. Easy to get 340, 335. That's when the drop continued to come up, to come down. Okay, it has to be below at least 345 right here. What is this? Yep, 345. It has to be dropped below 345. Okay, for a put. Right now, nothing yet. For the Qs, looks like it's the candle. It's the candle that's coming down, first candle. If this is going to be the first candle to break above your 200, good. If it's not, then you have 707. This is still the support. And I do believe we're going to come down for the Qs though, but we're approaching that lunch break. So it's no liquidity. What a boring day today though. This is pretty boring. Not much. I only got one trade too. So that's it, folks. Nothing to see, unfortunately. But we will continue to have that. What do we have? BE?
Yeah,
Oh, I'm up 65 cents. You too, Tom.
yeah.
So, Tom,
Well,
huh?
I'll be honest with you. I'm not going to sell those shares anyways. I'm going to hold because I already own BE and I'm down, but I'm back under. I'm down about 16% underwater. So that actually was a good DTA for me at that price level. I've been slowly DCing my way back into. I think honestly BE. is actually a longer term hold for me anyways. I think
Our
the
take
technology.
profit for BE is 220, Tom. Okay, 220,
No, I'm
222.
saying for the small market challenge, yeah, take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But I'm gonna actually hold it because it's DCA'd my overall position.
Yeah, our stop loss will be $10. So whatever we lose for 10 bucks, I think that's it. What do you think?
Yeah,
So we got 214, so about 209. Is that good?
yeah.
$10?
Yep, yep.
Or if you guys okay to lose the $20, that's fine too, but I think $10 will be fine. Ours, that's the stop loss. Okay, so 209 is our stop loss. I got 214. Two shares only because we're only allowed to have 500. So I got
Yep.
214.01. So I'm up $1.28.
Yeah, that 220 is a good spot to take profit. Yeah,
Okay, so 220,
looking at right now.
220, 222. So that's
Tell
your
you what
take.
though, if it can break that, man, there's a gap up to 225 where the 100 sits, and then the 200 is at 228, 229 range.
Yeah, so 220, 222. Yes, you're absolutely right, Tom. Oh wow, BMNR.
Oh, I haven't heard that name in a while.
Yeah, this is a nice breakout of a structure. This is starting, guys.
Wow,
This is starting. This is just starting,
wow.
so don't FOMO it.
I remember we used to trade that all the time.
Yeah, I used to. We used to. $23 was the nice entry for this. This is nice. This is a nice breakout of a structure. This candle. This is
Oh,
early.
you know who else said if BMR's running? I just looked up another one I track with them. Look at IBIT.
All right, hold on. I think we're gonna have a nice trade on BMNR. $25 is good. Exit is $30. You have 30.55. Your take profit there. 30. And then the second you could push it to 34. So you have $30, 32.78 to 34.39. Yeah. So you have $30 to 32.34. That's your reality. That's your first target. Your second is 42. So let's see. This is early. Let's see. Hello. Yeah. $25 is good, but we gotta have a stop loss. It may pull back on that $23. That could be your entry, but that will be your stop loss. So your stop loss is, I'll say 22.60. Okay, stop loss 22.60. A nice entry is 23, but you miss it, 25, but your take profit is 30. That's good. We're gonna have a little bit of a hurdle on that 28 bucks though. 28.73 before getting to that 30, okay? We're gonna have a little bit of a hurdle on that right here. You could either take profit there or you have to wait to that $30. This is a good one. So
Yeah.
we
Did
could
somebody
buy.
did somebody drop? Oh yeah, Yvette dropped that. Nice job, Yvette.
No, actually I think it's Paulo's. He's been asking on that.
I saw Yvette. BMNR. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so
Yeah,
that's
it does.
good.
Yeah, Jags, it does. It obviously runs with BTC, right? So does the other one I just called it. Yeah, I mean, it's cleared all its, I mean, dude, you get the EMAs running up quick on IBIT on a daily, and it cleared the 200. Mhm. I'm gonna take, yeah, I'm gonna take a position with that.
Yeah, that's a good one. We could add that to our small account challenge.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm taking 20 shares, which gets me right over the $500 mark. 19 would be what? 486. All right, let's stay in the rules. 19 shares. 19 point. I guess stop with the fractional shares now. 19.5 gets me right under. I'm gonna take it. Part of our challenge. So BE's back. So that means We haven't taken a loss on our challenge yet, Mary.
Don't jinx it, Tom.
Yet.
So a re-entry for that, if it pulls back, is 24.93. You guys could wait for that. If it doesn't, then you're gonna have to take that 25 with Tom, okay? I'll wait for 24.96 or 20, 24, 25 even. I'll wait for that and then I'll enter. How much is it? How many shares? 16 shares?
At that rate, you probably get, no, you probably get 20. At 20, I just got 19 and a half
You're
at the
allowed
current
to
price.
buy.
Yeah.
Mm.
It'd be about 20 shares.
I'm gonna put mine at 25 or 20, 25, 20. If not, then Tom is gonna get his race. He entered earlier, better than us. So, remember our exiting Tom. Our exit for BE is 220, 222. If you wanna put that in hour, or you want me to put it, and then BMNR. So we have entry 23 to 25, stop loss 22.60, target hurdles 28. We can take profit at 28, but let's see what's going to, what kind of candle is that, all right? But the real target is 30 to 30, 34, 30 to 34, okay?
Yeah. I'll go update the channel.
Mm-hmm.
That info.
Yep. AMD, I do want a swing for AMD. We do want to see a candle break above 480 for a swing that you got. Well, it's gonna end up about scalping maybe or intraday trade tomorrow because we have 484 to 484, 487 to 489. All right, but if we break above that 489, that we have 498. 498. So a more confirmed to the upside is 492. More confirmed to the upside is 492 for entry for a swing. Okay, if you want to do a intraday trade, if it breaks above 480, they have 484 continuation to the upside, 487 like Tom said, and 489, then you got 492. After 492, our target for that is another $4, but our target for that 492 is 498 to fill the gap to the upside all the way to 504, then 509. All right, so there is a potential trade for AMD, but right now we have a bunch of layers that we have to overcome first.
Sister, I'm looking at AMD's analysis.
Uh-huh.
647 is the target for most of the average on the analysis. Yeah,
Did you see my,
that's crazy.
this is my target, the
Yeah,
621,
Raymond
670.
James just upped it um, today.
Well, we are inside the descending channel. I did a video about this and somebody was saying, I've been looking for that 600. She said that she's been down. Well, I said that there's really no breakout yet. Okay, there's no breakout yet. A true confirmation is not even on that 492. It's actually right on the 500. And a true continuation of a breakout of a structures of this descending flag lies above 585. And that is really a bigger move to the upside. If we break above 585, then you have 621, 667, which is, this is my target right here. If we do break out this one, if we break out of the structures of the descending channel, and the true breakout of a structure lies above 585. Yep. Right now, there is no breakout. You are above the descending bullish territory. This is a descending channel. This is the bullish territory bearish. So what you were saying, Tom, about your, oh, Tom, you have your AMDL too, right?
Yeah.
What are you saying about your AMD?
No, I said I was just looking at jumping over the tip rank to see because I saw it on the news on TradingView that Raymond James just upped it today. Raymond James moved it from 565 to 641. So now the average analyst is 647.
647, have 660.
28 buys. No sells.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
For AMDL for our trade, we have 550, 530, I think. What do we say? 530? 50-30.
Yeah.
Well, it has to close today at 540 actually. So to those people who hasn't entered, I'll wait for an entry. We have $2 for that. $2. And I do believe we're gonna get to that $2. But let's see where this candle breaks. If it breaks above the 50-40, then that's great. Then we get to buy shares. Remember, we're trying to buy shares instead of options because some of us cannot handle pullbacks and all that, and some of us doesn't know what is options. So we're trying to do our account in either shares or simple, easy options. Okay, Tom, simple, not your crazy stuff. I don't even do the naked call or what did you do, Tom, again?
Oh,
Credit
cash
spread.
and carry put.
Yeah, I didn't. What did you do?
Oh, the cash and carry put. Never do a naked call. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, that's you. You might as well just give me your money. I'll take it. Thanks. Uh, no, cash and carry puts. Cash and carry puts aren't hard. Credit spreads aren't hard. Actually, the funny thing is, I've actually been looking at like broken wings and some butterflies and some other. I'm like, this market is so weird right now, right? It's every day. It's just bouncing up and down. Credit spreads and stuff like that are actually do very well in these markets because you don't have to have the option go your way. It just doesn't can't go against your way.
Mm-hmm.
When you do a credit spread, you've got flat markets work, up markets work, big moves up work. If you're doing the opposite, if you're doing uh, credit spread on calls, it's the opposite. So speaking of which, I have a class Thursday night to teach credit spreads.
Oh yeah, I have a class too. I forgot.
Yep.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
credit spreads work really good in this type of market because you don't have to be right, and time works for you when you're selling options.
yeah. Okay. I don't do credit spreads still. I do simple stuff. So before we
Credit
leave,
spreads are so simple, Mary. Oh
so
gosh,
simple. Yeah.
come take a class. I'll give it to you for free.
Funny. So, um, 352 is really your early entry to go long. You have 356, and then you have 359, 361, 363. Your put here is your true put to go short is your 344 right around here. All right. Tesla is still in reality, this is a breakout level of Tesla. This is just a pullback. If I measure this pullback, even if I use this level, this is just a shallow pullback. You are more than welcome to cut it. Or if you want, I don't know if you guys are losing on Tesla. Yes, you do. You do. You are losing Tesla. Because you guys enter at 353. I don't know how much, but it could still pull back in that 344. You see that? It could still pull back to 344. The only thing that we're struggling for Tesla is to break through this 50 moving average, right? And we still have gap to the upside all the way to 369. So I do believe we're going to get to that 359. But if tomorrow and if this candle cannot break above that 356, 355, then that will be a pullback for Tesla. And guess what? That pullback could actually get you all the way to 344. So please make sure you do have a stop loss. All right. So it will be bullish if we break above 356 for Tesla. It's okay for the daily candle as long as we are above 352. Yeah, 352. Well, it's specifically at 351.12, by the way. So as long as we remain above 351.12, it's okay. It's okay. But if you cannot handle the pullback, please make sure you have a stop loss. A broken structure of this move for Tesla is again 344.94, which is 345. It is currently 352. You could have a stop loss if it closed below 351 somewhere, either your 5 minutes or your 10 minutes. If it closed below the 351, cut it. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing you what I'm seeing on the
Yeah.
chart. Okay. What else do you guys have? Your meta.
Guys, if you're not part of Mary's Boba crew, she goes Monday night. She goes through this live, and I join because I love watching her, and I learn from
Oh,
her every
thanks,
day. And
Tom.
anytime I watch her, join her, join her Boba crew on YouTube, and get this stuff, man. She breaks it down, takes her time, and teaches you guys this stuff.
Oh, thanks, Tom. Yeah, actually, we made a lot of money on that. While others are going call on INTC, we were actually shorting INTC.
I know. I
Yeah,
know somebody. I know somebody in Discord that keeps adding to his calls
yeah,
on INTT,
we were
and I'm like,
shorting.
Mary's killing it last week with the actually reverse.
Yeah. So, but yeah, we gave like 8 trades set up, and then you get to trade. And then, Sean Green gave us an elf, and he asked me, like, what is the entry? He made, Sean, how much you made? Like 60 or 80% on that?
Which is crazy because if you
I got
remember,
called.
you probably don't remember back. I think it was May, late May, early June. I was doing Elf like weekly swing trading it. It was killing it, and then it just fell off my list for
Yeah,
some reason.
it's true. For your meta is not, meta is actually the first candle to break above your 9 EMA. This bad boy wants to get to oh, it did get to 561. But I said, remember, we have to hold on the 561. You don't want to overstay that little put of yours. But 561 is actually okay if it pulls back. If tomorrow we open above 563, it's good. It's good because that is when you get to test your 569, 570. And if once we go back inside this bearish candle, that's why we want to be above 570 because boom, it's going to get there. And then it's going to get there. And guess what? It's going to occupy the whole candle, which happens to be the 590. Because the real target of this move is here. But more confirmed, 570. All right, 570 target. Okay, so I have this one. If we got, what is this, 562? This is your entry, 562, 560. Oh, look at that. This is actually your entry today. 562, 563. As long as we remain above with this candle, easy target 564. If it breaks above 564, you have 568, 569. But the target of this move lies above here, that 589 right here. This is for your intraday trade, right? And so 5, it has to hold today, right here. It's the first candle, right? But more bullish, if you want to see more confirmation, wait above 570, and then you get to trade it more to the upside, all right? So stop loss for you guys for that will be 560. Broken structure below 560. I mean, Mary, that's a lot. Well, if you want to follow structural stop loss, then yes. Tom, anything else before we go?
Nope, guys. I posted the my flyer for the credit spread class if you want to take it Thursday night, 7 p.m. Eastern.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Yeah.
Again, if you guys aren't on Mary's Boba, you should be, or Boba tier for YouTube, you should be on it.
Thanks. Yeah, and don't forget to support Tom on his YouTube channel, guys. He's doing his best to create those little short of his, a little turtle of him.
Yep,
So
I
cute.
gotta,
So
I,
I
I
gotta be
gotta bet,
honest,
I
I
gotta.
did not listen to your last video, so I gotta go listen to it because I was
Oh,
just busy. So
nice.
my class is actually I have a new strategy for my scalping. Tom, guess what? I'll give it to you for
I was
free.
texting you on it last night. Did you see that part of the text?
Yeah, I did. It was just too late though, Tom. So, but as you can see, like we are trading on the daily now, right? What are we? And we were trading on a 4 hour and a daily on AMD, right? And I'm just flipping it. What I'm trying to do there is to reduce the emotion. Is to reduce the emotion. I taught that first daily scalping. I know it's weird. I taught it last 2 weeks ago, and guess what? Paulo's is actually one of the person who took that class, and he's using it now. It controls his emotion. But again, all trade carries risk, guys. Okay, this one is just to hold on to your strategy a little bit longer so that
Yeah.
you could have a bigger profit, and also it kind of like fluctuates with you with your pullback like the AMD today. but it's the best way because you're avoiding your emotion. So Tom, I'm inviting you, obviously. But to those people who wants to learn that the daily scalping, it's not to those people who has not taken my class. Please make sure you take that class first before you take this daily chart using a daily chart to scalp. I know it's a lot of people find it weird, but trust me, this is actually a new strategy, Tom, that I caught up with lately. I don't know if you guys have been seeing that I've been trading using a daily on the scalping, and somebody says, "Why did
That's
you?"
literally what I was, I was texting you last night. I was like, wait, this is all daily stuff. I'm like, this is
Yeah.
actually pretty cool.
And it's
Yep.
pretty cool, guys. And I've been using it, and it kind of like reduce more of my emotion. I get to stay longer, and I get to trade Tesla, and that's what I've been doing too, using that strategy on the Tesla, and it's a lot better. And AMD too. I actually don't want to trade AMD because it's been fluctuating, but I use this now the larger time frame, and it kind of work out. And you guys have noticed it. We've been trading on the daily lately, right? But we have to still go back to the 5 and the 10. Okay. So, Tom, thank you for the Barrick morning. It took a call, it's up 25%.
Oh,
That's
Barrack
good.
Money, you took calls?
Good
Who
job.
did? You did?
Somebody did. He said he's up. All
Oh,
right.
oh, nice. Yeah, yeah. Barrack Mining, I like it.
Yeah.
And I bought in yesterday, and then somebody's like, "Hey, you're gonna get out?" I'm like, "Dude, it's a swing trade. One day does not affect the swing trade."
Yeah, nice, nice, nice.
But Barrack Mining came up on my screeners.
Here comes your Tesla, guys. So it hasn't broken that structure. So this is a nice candle. So you have 352 entry. You have
Hey, Mary, I gotta
356.
run. I got a call. I gotta be on in 2 minutes.
Me
I
too.
gotta.
I gotta go, guys. Thank you so much,
Oh,
guys.
Edward. Yeah, Edward, stay in it, man. Stay in it. Don't dump me yet.
That's a swing, but 25 is 25 for him. Maybe he's been holding
Yeah.
it, Tom. So to those
No, no,
people
that was
who,
somebody else. Yep.
yeah,
Awesome.
I'll
Talk to you guys later.
I'll see you guys later.
All
Tom,
right.
thank you so much.
Yep.
I'll see you guys, all right? So pay attention to your Tesla. It's moving slowly but surely, but if you cannot hold on with that emotion, please make sure you take profit, all right? I'll see you guys. We do have a class on Friday and Saturday and Tuesday. So your scalping, new strategy scalping is on Friday using the daily. It's going to be a little bit crazy, but you gotta have to bear with me because I taught it last 2 weeks ago, and I think I got a good feedback. So let's see. Sean Green is using it. Paula's using it. So Paula's been doing very good, right, Paulos? Paul. All right, folks, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Please be kind, be patient, and may all your trades be in the green. I love you guys.